And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. Today we're looking at another light for your YouTube channel. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify of videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. And today we're looking at the Vijim RGB light. It's not just an ordinary light, so here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what it could do. Oh, this one's gonna be amazing, man. So let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. Inside there is a light. There you go. Let's put that right there. There's also the accessories right here. Gonna lift this up right there and ruin it all. Yes, that's right. Let's put this on the side. Comes with little accessories here, like a mount for your camera right there, literature right there, some Allen keys right there, charging cable right there. There you go. And it's USB-C. Pretty good. Let's take this out. Let's throw that on the back. Let's open up the light and see what we got. Man, this thing is hefty. Look at that. It's all metal on the back. Metal casing. Very nice front right here. You know what the best feature about these? This light, you'll be able to, as an arm, as a built-in arm like that, and you'll be able to swivel it to whatever you like. So you could mount that on top of your camera, just like this. Take this, put it up like that, and then you could move it to whatever you want. Have you seen any light like that before? Exactly. Let's put this in, screw this on the back, on the top like this. Look at that. You put it on any rig you want. You put it right there. You put it on the side like that. You can mount it to wherever you like. Just gonna put it right here. Make it quick for us. Just like that. There you go. And then we're just gonna mount this on top of our camera like so. Tighten that up. And there you go. You're good to go. And then you can move it to wherever you want. So look at this. Oh, maybe I want to shoot something on the side. Oh, let's do that right there. Oh, maybe at the front. Boom. Oh, maybe swivel it on the side, on this side. Oh, yes, you can. Why not? Oh, boom, boom, boom. Maybe you want to flash it to yourself. You could do that too, just like that. Boom. And then if you want to fold it back together, all you need to do is just do that. And you're good to go. There you go. As you can see there's so many ways to mount this to your rig, to your camera, or wherever you want. For all the creatives out there, the YouTubers, and everyone who loves the light, this is the perfect light so that you can position that light so that you can take that perfect shot or that perfect video. Later on, we're gonna be taking a few raw shots, unedited shots. So just stay tuned on the end, and we will be using this light and see how well it does. And then you could just hold it like that, just normal. Pretty good. Now let's go ahead and turn this on. Show you on the side right here. There you go. Turn that on right there. Boom, yellow light. So there's also different modes on the side there. So there's the power button mode right there. You can dim it. There you go. And you can also have different functions right there. It's pretty good. So let's go ahead and hit this up right here. Different modes. Show you guys right here. Boom, yellow. There's the true tone mode. There's the strobe mode. Yeah. Yellow mode, here you could dim it just like that. Do whatever you like. Brightest right there, it's pretty good. And then you could change the function right there. See how that changes? Want it all white or all yellow. So on the back here, as you can see, there's also information on the light right there. So you'll be able to have a little monitor right there to see what's going on. Very nice. Now let's try this out on the dark. So this is our car right here. No lights are turned on right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and turn on our light right here. There you go. Let's turn this guy on. And there you go. It's pretty good. So we're just gonna move this to however we'd like. There you go. Pretty good. That way you can take shots and have that beautiful light that you want. So here we go. We've taken a few shots right here. This is one of our shots with our Panasonic G9, and the light is on 100%. I'm using just diffused light, just completely white. There's no yellow on this one. This is completely raw as well. I didn't edit this or anything like that. The next picture that we have is 50%, the exact same setup, but it's just on 50%. During this picture as well, I have cool, just a manual white balance, so it doesn't change when the light changes. Let me know what you think on the comments below. The next picture that we have is just 2700K, but also at 100%. Basically, I use this on, depends on what kind of lighting we have in the room. And also I use this on outdoor situation. This is pretty good for that. I would not use the harsh yellow or the harsh white on the portrait mode. I would use basically a balance in between around 5,000. That would be the best for that. If you're looking at right here, it also has a mount right there where you can put another light. So basically you can mount like maybe even a mic right there or something like that. That part is just a normal shoe mount, so you can put whatever you want there. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice in a Vijim RGB light. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. If you want to subscribe to my channel and I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified when next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Oh man, I love this light. You'll be able to have this arm right here with the light right here. Change different modes, dim it, whatever you want, position it to wherever you want. You can mount this on different spots. It even has a dedicated horseshoe mount. So there you go. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.